Hello programmer, welcome back to today's another new tutorial session. So today here I'm create for the MySQL tutorial series for creating table in the MySQL. It's a fundamental step in designing a database schema. Okay. So first of all, simply just define is a create table statement with the MySQL. And here in the MySQL used to create a new table. It allows to define the structure of the database by specifying the column and the other data type. Okay. So here, first of all, I'm just going and create for the new table. Okay. So here I'm just type the create. So just going for here. And now here I'm just type this is the create table. And here I'm used for the table name. Suppose the employees. Okay, so EMPLO wise employees and create here the parentheses semicolon, and in this inside and create for the column information. So first of all here and create for the ID is a integer. This is a primary key. Okay, next step here I'm just define this is the first name. Okay, the first name is a varchar and define for the text size of 50. Okay, and next step here create this is the last name, and now we are all the varchar, then define for the text size of 50. Okay, and next step here and create for the another column. So now here I'm define for this is the email. Okay, so define for the email. For email is a both the varchar, and then here I'm insert for is a 100, and also here I'm create this is a hire date. Okay, so define for simply just type HIRE hire date and the date. Okay, so define perfectly, and here is a simply and create the create table statement to create a new table name for the employees, and here I'm define for the columns for employee ID, first name, last name, email, and the hire date. Okay, and in this the ID for is set the primary key and ensuring that record has a unique identifier. Okay, so now just I am select all in the data query and then execute now. And you can see here the perfectly create this command is completely successful. Okay, I hope you perfectly understand it. Okay. So next step we will create for the another table, and now just open the another new query and here and create for the another table. So suppose like here and create the statement for the table name. Suppose like the products. Okay. So create for the products table, and in this inside I'm create for the document for the column document. So first of all I'm create here the ID is this the integer, and it's create you choose for the auto increment primary key, but I'm not defined here. I'm simply just type is the ID for integer. This is the primary key. Okay, and next step we have defined the name. Okay, so name is a character and then size of 50. Okay, and also here I'm create this is a price column. The price this is a decimal type, and here I'm create in this inside for 10 and 2. Okay, and also here I'm placing now just type the semicolon, sorry the comma, and now here I'm just typing the stock quantity. Okay, so STOCK underscore QUAN TY. Okay, so stock quantity is the integer type. Okay, so now here is a second table is completely created, and in this table I'm just creating for the products and add for the price column, ensuring it's a and the default, and here I'm create for the stock quantity column, and this here is a help for the maintain for the data, yeah, and prevent for this completely creating this the data table. So first of all here I select and then execute now, and just wait, and you can see here this command is completely successful. Okay, So now just verify in this table is great or not great. So first of all, just going here and then just type for here is a reload, and now you can choose for another way. So just going in here and select for this is a sales one database and we have create. Okay. So it's not create. This is a select star from so first time create the employees table. Okay. So define the employees table and now just select and execute. And you can see here is a completely create in this column. So here I previously did the 5 columns. So total is the ID, first name, last name, email, and the hire date. And next is you can create for the another table. So now just show the verify this table. Name is a products table. Okay. And now select and then execute. And you can see here they perfectly create the column. So ID, name, price, extra, quantity. Okay. So here is a completely done and here I'm perfectly overview and creating table in MySQL with some practical example. So I hope you perfectly find this tutorial helpful. So now stay tuned for more MySQL tips and tricks. So thank you for watching.